It's a story positively Brazos Valley. Iola ISD is expanding, but last May a bond failed that would support new development for schools in the area. KRDH reporter Diamond Dixon speaks with two local businesses who are planning to help raise funds so the school district can make improvements as they planned.
The community of Iola is growing, and with that growth comes more students, and two local businesses are showing their support to help make improvements within the school district.
With Iola, we've seen a lot of influx of new people coming in, new students, new families, and so the school just needs to expand. It needs to grow, and it needs to grow and support the new student body that's going to be coming in as College Station kind of grows and, Iola gets some of that overflow.
William Arvance has a solar company here in College Station, and his family lives in Iola.
We're all taxpayers locally, but we thought since we're local small businesses, our kids go to Iola, our families live in Iola, what better opportunity for us to give back to the community that supports us than to, throw in with that.
Arvance says this was a way for him and Lone Star Roof Systems to give back to the community that supports them.
And our goal is to be able to give back $50,000. The school's going to be able to use it for any kind of necessary upgrades or services that they deem necessary, just to help our kids and better our education with the kids.
Iola ISD Superintendent Jeff Dyer says the funds raised can help with security-based items.
Right now, safety is a huge concern across the state of Texas. We are a district that's all in one city block, and it's very open. So we need things like, we would like to upgrade things like cameras. We would like to have keyless entry.
Dyer says having the two local businesses come together and support the school district means the most.
They're local companies, they care about our school, and they want to give back. And I think in our society, giving back now is a big deal because a lot of times we have a me society, and I like to see people who said, okay, education benefited me, I'm going to give back to education.
If you would like to support Iola ISD in their development plan, head over to KRHDnews.com for more details. In Iola, Diamond Dixon, KRHD News.